So here's our News 8 Storm Team forecast. Today, we're starting out with cloudy skies. You might see a shower, a little patchy drizzle, certainly damp out there this morning, and humidity has gone up overnight. It feels a bit sticky. This afternoon, 74 will be the high. Some scattered showers, thunderstorms, and some of those could produce locally heavy rainfall as well as gusty winds. This evening, I think most of the action is over, and there will just be a few trailing showers and thunderstorms overnight tonight with a cold front passing east. Tonight's lows, they're going to be dropping into the upper 50s right around 60. It won't be as humid. It'll be a bit more comfortable. And tomorrow, partly sunny, comfortable, just a couple of showers here and there. 76 to near 80 degrees for Saturday. Right now in Carlisle, it's cloudy, a little damp out there this morning. Current temperature is 70, a mild 67 in Lancaster, 68 in York, and the same in Selinsgrove. Yesterday, I showed you these dew points. They were in the 40s. Felt really good. This time around, dew points are in the 60s, so you'll notice it does feel quite a bit stickier, muggier this morning. Weather and health check. Low levels, that's new, of pollen and grass in the air today. Air quality is good. Our UV index is low due to the cloud cover, a burn time of 50 minutes. On Super Doppler 8, just a little bit of a sprinkle here and there. Most of the rain is well out to our west through eastern Ohio, western Pennsylvania. And this is the line of showers, thunderstorms that will be coming into our area this afternoon. So our severe weather risk today is still a 2 on a scale of 1 to 5. The Storm Prediction Center still thinks we could have some gusty winds, and I agree. But because we're going to have a lot of cloud cover, I think our severe weather threat is pretty limited. Gusty winds is the main threat. Flooding is another threat for us with that flood watch in effect 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. today. So here's what the predictor shows. Little line of some showers, thunderstorms come through. Those are the ones that could have some gusty winds this afternoon. And then some additional trailing showers and storms with a cold front late this evening and early tonight. Tomorrow, the upper level part of the system crosses Pennsylvania with just a few showers. We should see some sun, especially tomorrow afternoon, and then definitely get sunshine on Sunday with low humidity. By Monday, high pressure moves east on Memorial Day. We get into that southerly flow, which will boost our temperatures and our humidity level. So look at Monday. We went up to 90 degrees there. 90 on Tuesday, could even be in the low 90s on Wednesday. However, a cold front comes through Thursday. That'll cut heat and humidity right in half for you, so it'll feel better toward the end of next week.